Hello friends, welcome back to your very own channel, and our today's video's topic is creative garden sculptures DIY designs. So gardening is a popular hobby that provides many benefits, from improving health to adding beauty and to value the home. One way to take gardening to the next level is by incorporating creative garden sculptures into the landscape. While there are many commercially available sculptures, DIY projects offer a fun and affordable way to add unique and personal touches to your garden. One type of creative garden sculptures that can be made as a DIY project is the use of recycled materials. Old tires, bottles, or even cutlery can be repurposed into beautiful and interesting sculptures. For example, old bicycle tires can be transformed into a unique and eco friendly planter. Cutlery can be bent and twisted into creative shapes and designs to create a whimsical and playful sculptures. Another type of creative garden sculpture that can be made by DIY project is using natural materials such as stones, wood, and plants. For example, small stones can be glued together to create a miniature stone tower, while a larger stone can be carved into unique shape or pattern. Branches and logs can be crafted into rustic garden benches and carved into animal shapes. Plants can also be used to create living sculptures such as topiaries or walls of succulents. In addition to using recycled natural materials, creative garden sculptures can also be made using traditional sculpture method. For example, clay or plaster can be used to create intricate and detailed sculptures that can be painted to add color and personality. In conclusion, DIY creative garden sculptures offer a fun and affordable way to add unique and personal touches to your garden. Whether using recycled materials, natural materials, or traditional sculpture methods, there are many ways to create beautiful and interesting sculptures that will add personality and charm to your outdoor space. So this is all about today's video. I hope so you like this information and the projects in this video. And if you like our videos, if you like our channel, subscribe us and